What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are shooting in this insane shipping container yard. Today we're going to be shooting a Huracan Storado Camo Edition. 12 of them in the world, one of them in North America, and that's the one we're shooting today. And on top of that, we're going to be shooting 2 more Porsches as well. So we're just waiting on those right now. And of course, I'll be having my GoPros on my chest. But a huge shout out to my boy Zach. Zach is the one that set this all up. He's the one with the contact at this place. Make sure to follow him on Instagram. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's been killing it on there. Also, huge shout out to my boy Caden. He's been getting some BTS. Caden. It's gonna be sick. So make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the video and enjoy. Ooh, tough. It's fun seeing that car here because we had it at our dealership not too long ago. And it was right during my accident, so I got there right before he took delivery on it. Yeah. So it's fun to see it actually like out in person. Okay, and at any point, if you want BTS, yell at me, because you know me, I'm scatterbrained, so you gotta yell at me. Yeah, of course, dude, I'm glad you can make it. Sundays are always kind of, I don't like shooting on Sundays either. Just usually, yeah, it's a kind of a chill day, recoup before the week. If I'm in your way, just yell at me. I'm always in somebody's way usually. I forgot you were behind there, so you're doing a good job. Mikey, do you want to put it like right over this way? Yeah. Just maybe facing that way?
Watch out, buddy.
Are you able to keep the mirrors open? I think they closed once you locked it.
Oh yeah, I won't lock it.
Okay, sick.
I think I locked it because the door handles wouldn't close.
Oh.
So if you don't care, I don't care.
I think that looks fine.
And you can open it and move it out.
Okay. These angles look crazy. We haven't seen this looks. I love the warmer tones. Circular polarizer is helping with the reflections. How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
What's your name?
James.
James, I'm Logan.
Spencer's friend.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, man. This is my cousin Caden. He's a famous videographer. What do you think of this place?
Dude, this is
not really,
insane.
huh?
Yeah.
It's the craziest like place for photos.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been here. I've been here once before with Zach, and we shot a GTR and a Porsche here as well.
Yeah, it was my first time here.
Sick.
It's only my 3rd time down in Salt Lake. So.
Oh yeah. Are you from Idaho?
I'm going to school in Idaho.
Nice.
Yeah, but I'm originally from Spokane, Washington.
Okay, sweet.
Washington.
Heck yeah. All right, we're shooting on 50mm circular polarizer, R5C. GoPro. Shipping thing. Holy cow, it's a Lamborghini. How did that get here? There's people here.
Guys, we're sneaking into this cargo yard and
we have entered Area 51.
I don't know why. You want to get your car and drift it behind? I mean, I could try. You're close. Why not?
And you built that out yourself.
I've never drifted this before, so we'll see if I suck.
Pretty good for first try.
Pretty good.
That looks sick.
Are we getting dirty or what?
Yeah, Mike, I think it'll just be cool to see it drifting.
That shot's crazy. Oh my gosh. That's crazy how much that worked.
Right? That looks good, dude.
Saw my light flash for 4 minutes there for a second. Ow!
Fun off-roading, dude. So Mikey, I'm good on photos with yours, so.
You gotta have your dad do that in his Tacoma.
Yeah.
You're like, no. I love that light on the back, looks so sci-fi.
Probably can't get very good low angles right now.
So he just got this, right?
Yeah, he ordered it like a year ago.
Really? Jeez. Yeah, ordering one versus just buying it off used is different.
Exactly how you want it.
Yeah.
You're from Lamborghini to make a one-off color for him.
Sick.
And he like said he was gonna be able to name and everything.
It's pretty cool when you can say I have the only one with this color.
I feel like every SV in Utah is a one-of-one color.
Hands on the hips.
How you feeling? Got some good shots?
I don't know.
You don't
Getting
know.
a great shot right now.
Probably shouldn't leave my backpack sitting around, but
we're just gonna be like walking around and we'll see one homeless guy like
A
dragging
really
your
nice
bag.
backpack. That way. Keep going right there. Yeah, I was gonna say, if you can keep the lights on, it looks super sick. Yeah. Yeah, how it is right now looks awesome. Sick. This looks crazy. Getting dark.